portable automatic tire wash system. First of all, the space to install the tire wash system should be secured through the wash bay positioning in the construction method of Entra's tire wash system. When the positioning is completed, excavation and rubble-stone compaction works should be carried out. On top of the well-compacted ground, vinyl wrapping and blinding concrete work should be carried out to level the floor horizontally. Bar arrangement on the ground should be reinforced and the floor concrete casting should be completed. When the foundation work is finished, the tire wash system installation is started. When the tire wash system installation is completed, backfilling around the tire wash system and ramp compaction is carried out. When the compaction work is completed, the bar arrangement should be reinforced and the tire wash system installation should be completed with the concrete casting. Entra's tire wash system offers a perfect tire washing effect to invisible parts starting from simple construction. The company will take the lead in satisfying the needs of its customers and creating a clean environment where people can live in relief. Automatic Car Wash Solution System. Entra Company Limited.